Morning vlog, how are you doing? It's a brand new day here in Osu. That is my house. We want to go find breakfast and see what Ghanaians eat for breakfast. This is my friend. Good morning. We want to go find breakfast. There's a place I ate yesterday and it's not bad, it's nice. So let's go check it out and see what they have to offer on their menu today. So this is the breakfast chopper. I'll have what I had yesterday: 2 eggs, one sausage, and then bread. Give me the wheat bread. And then I want to try this. What is it? What have they mixed it with? Is it like porridge?
Não foi estudar velha essa hora.
So guys, breakfast is ready. We're just about to dig in. We want to see how it will taste. I've been told this is wheat and then it's been mixed with some milk. So it's actually not bad. Not bad at all. Actually, it's just like Weetabix that has been mixed with Weetabix that has been mixed with milk. Does that make sense? I like it. Let's try the bread. Absolutely amazing. really like this. Initially, when you eat it, the milk is sort of smooth, so it sort of slides in your mouth. But when you start chewing it, you realize it's a nice taste. I can eat this every day for breakfast, by the way. And shout out to Vanessa, okay? I was so worried about cooking and stuff, and Vanessa was telling me in Ghana there's that culture of eating. Our chobas are very famous, so I mean you can eat anywhere. So this is me having breakfast. I don't know how much it will cost. I'll let you guys know towards the end, but let me dig into this and then I'll see you when I'm almost done. It's such a shame to admit, but I'm already full. I already have this other bread left, and I have half of my wheat left. I'm going to ask her to pack it for me so that I'm going for another shoot, but when I come back I can eat. So that's just what we're going to do. So now we're going to pay for it and then she can pack it for me. Excuse me, how much is everything? 7. And that's a little tip for you for good service. Do you mind packing this for me? I can eat it at any time, right? Thank you. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was breakfast. I'm full, like I'm so full, and I still have some takeaway to bring with me home. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys can tell me what else do you guys eat for breakfast. What's the difference between what you've seen and maybe if you're from a different nationality, what you always eat. You look nice. Where are you going to? Where are you going to?
I'm going here.
To buy breakfast?
No, no, no.
Okay. Look, guys, here in Ghana, you know, I'm the only one who looks like a chokora. People wake up in the morning and dress up, you know, and look good. Yesterday I was asking a friend of mine. She sells at some store here. I told her, you look nice. Where are you going? She said, I'm just nice so I can go to my business and sell. And that's the spirit, you know. So this is where we end the video. I'll see you again next time. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. The goal is to hit it's not feasible, but it might be to hit 10k subs. Can you guys help me do that? Can you guys help me do that and get 10k views at least on each and every single video? I'm just saying it. I mean, the universe hears you. You might as well say it. So guys, I am home, and this is where I leave you guys. Bye guys.